When we face difficult circumstances or when we face situations which are unfavorable for us, we generally have a tendency to react in a negative manner. If somebody does something against us, for example, then we consider our ego to have been hit, and just to not lose face, we try to return that person's bad behavior with equally strong bad behavior. So when we face difficult times, when we face testing situations, often our response is based on emotion. Our emotions are extremely high at that moment, and we tend to instantly react based on that emotional, mental situation of ours. But what we have to do instead is that we should not allow our emotional mind to take over in that circumstance. Rather, we should think very rationally. We should try to understand that if we respond in a negative way, if we respond in a way which is provocative, which seeks revenge, then what we are doing is that we are hurting our own self. We are making our own character, our own personality negative. Because if we seek revenge from a person, we know that the fire of revenge burns within us. It makes us feel stressed out. We feel that unless we have not responded to that person in the same way, we will not feel content. So the purpose of our life becomes to speak to that person or to deal with that person in the same way or in a tougher way or in a ruder way that he behaved with us. So this makes our thought process, it makes our mind, it makes our thinking extremely negative, and ultimately we become a negative person, and most importantly we lose the peace of our mind. So we have to understand, when we face difficult moments in life, then we have to refrain from giving an emotional reaction. We should try to sit, we should try to pause and reflect over the kind of response we have to give. And our response should be such that it does not make our inner character negative. We should always elevate ourselves spiritually in every situation or through every kind of experience that we face. So our response should be such that our character is elevated. We develop positivity in ourselves and we don't degrade ourselves further.